They say that there are two M's which together provide a robust platform to the entire education fraternity: morality and modernity. But to me, there are actually three M's for a perfect education system: morality, modernity, and Mewar. I am Rachna Jalan. I am an alumni from the Department of Teacher Education, Mewar Institute of Management. I always had the aspiration of having a career in education, and ever since I entered Mewar, there has been no looking back for me. This one of a kind institution has provided me multifaceted opportunities, be it through intensive practice of micro teaching skills, simulation sessions, then internship, practice teaching, presentation through ICT skills, and whatnot. During the second year of our course, I remember we underwent rigorous drilling, mock interview sessions, and placement campaigns was very common. I would also like to mention that in this college, they conducted an array of recreational activities to groom our personality. Say, for example, celebration of Jayantis, Abhivyaktis, interdepartmental competitions, talent hunt shows, seminars. Of late, they even conducted a webinar on a pan-India basis. Uh, on completion of my course from Mewar Institute and having that title of the most versatile personality given by the Department of Teacher Education, today I feel that I have not just got a degree, Mewar has also gifted me the urge to learn and never to stop. If you too have the passion of becoming a teacher and are thinking of pursuing a course in B.Ed, look nowhere else. Because I'm sure the day when you complete your course from Mewar, you will feel exactly the same the way I feel today. I feel proud that I am made in India, made in Mewar. Thank you.